Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to an exciting new chapter in your linguistic journey. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of the Czech language? Whether you're planning a trip to the heart of Europe or simply looking to expand your language skills, learning Czech can be a rewarding and enriching experience. Czech, a beautiful and expressive language, might seem a bit intimidating at first, but fear not. With its unique sounds and rich history, Czech offers a fascinating glimpse into the culture and traditions of the Czech Republic. With a little effort and a sprinkle of enthusiasm, you'll be surprised at how quickly you can pick up some basic phrases. Practice makes perfect, and soon you'll find yourself confidently navigating conversations with locals. This essay is your friendly guide to 100 easy Czech phrases that will equip you for everyday interactions, from navigating the charming streets of Prague to ordering a delicious trdelník. Imagine strolling through the historic Old Town, chatting with vendors at a bustling market, or asking for directions to the nearest tram stop. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for a quick refresher, get ready to expand your linguistic horizons and impress the locals with your newfound Czech skills. Language learning apps, phrasebooks, and online resources are all great tools to help you on this journey. Learning a new language is like unlocking a treasure chest of cultural insights and unforgettable experiences. Each new word and phrase you learn opens up a deeper understanding of Czech customs, traditions, and way of life. So let's dive right in and discover the magic of the Czech language together. From greetings and pleasantries to essential travel phrases, we'll cover everything you need to get started. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to fluency. Consistency is key, so make a habit of practicing a little each day. Let's begin this adventure and unlock the doors to a new world of communication and connection. Happy learning. Happy. Let's start with the basics, the building blocks of any conversation, greetings, and essential pleasantries. These simple phrases will go a long way in making a good first impression. Dobrý den, good day. This is the most common way to greet someone in Czech. Let's say that again. Dobrý den. It's like saying hello or good morning. Ahoj, hi. For a more informal greeting, especially among friends or younger people, use ahoj. Ahoj. It's a friendly and easygoing way to say hello. Nashledanou, goodbye. When it's time to say goodbye, use nashledanou, nashledanou. This literally means until we meet again. Děkuji, thank you. Expressing gratitude is essential in any language. Děkuji is the Czech way to say thank you. Děkuji, you'll be using this one a lot. Prosím, please. Remember to be polite and use prosím when asking for something. Prosím. It's a simple word that goes a long way. Now that we've covered the basics, let's move on to some phrases that will help you navigate everyday interactions with ease and confidence. Ano, yes. A simple ano is all you need to say yes. Ano. It's straightforward and easy to remember. Ne, no. Similarly, ne means no. Ne, short and simple. Nerozumím, I don't understand. Don't hesitate to use this phrase if you don't understand something. Nerozumím. People will appreciate your honesty. Mluvit anglicky? Do you speak English? If you're ever in a bind, you can ask Mluvit anglicky to see if someone speaks English. Mluvit anglicky? It's always helpful to have a backup plan. Jak se máte? How are you? This is a polite way to ask someone how they are doing. Jak se máte? It's a great conversation starter. Section 4. Culinary delights, ordering food and drinks. In this section, we will explore the rich and diverse world of Czech cuisine and learn how to order food and drinks like a local. Czech cuisine is hearty, flavorful, and definitely worth exploring. From traditional dishes like svikova and goulash to street food favorites like trdelník, there's something for everyone. Here are some phrases to help you navigate menus and order your food with confidence. Whether you're dining at a fine restaurant or grabbing a quick bite at a local eatery, these phrases will come in handy. 11. Prosím, jedno pivo. Please, one beer. This is a simple yet essential phrase for any beer lover visiting the Czech Republic. The Czech Republic is famous for its beer, so you'll definitely want to try this one. With a rich brewing history and a variety of local brews to choose from, you're in for a treat. Prosím, jedno pivo. Cheers! Enjoying a cold beer with friends is a quintessential Czech experience. 12. Date me prosím jídelní lístek. Can I have the menu, please? This phrase is your gateway to discovering the delicious offerings of Czech cuisine. Use this phrase to ask for the menu. It's polite and shows that you're ready to explore the culinary delights on offer. Date me prosím jídelní lístek? This phrase will help you get started on your culinary adventure. It's a polite way to start your culinary adventure. Czech menus can be extensive, so take your time to read through and decide what you'd like to try. 13. Co byste doporučil A. What would you recommend? This is a great way to get insider tips on the best dishes to try. Don't be afraid to ask for recommendations. Co byste doporučil A. Waiters are usually happy to share their favorite dishes and help you make a choice. Locals often have the best insights. They know the hidden gems and the must-try dishes that might not be obvious to tourists. 14. Tuja Viborn. This is delicious. Use this phrase to express your delight when you find a dish you love. Let the chef know you're enjoying your meal with a heartfelt Tuja Viborn. Tuja Viborn. It's a great way to show your appreciation for the culinary skills of the chef. It's a great way to show your appreciation. Complimenting the chef can make your dining experience even more memorable. 15. Jeste neko? Anything else? This is a common question you'll hear from waiters, especially if they want to ensure you have everything you need. The waiter might ask you this to see if you need anything else. Jeste neko? It's a good opportunity to order any additional items or ask for recommendations. If not, a simple ne děkuji, no thank you, will suffice. This polite response lets the waiter know that you're satisfied with your order. Remember, dining in the Czech Republic is not just about the food, but also about the experience. Enjoy the atmosphere, the company, and the flavors that make Czech cuisine unique. Whether you're at a high-end restaurant or a bustling street food market, these phrases will help you navigate the culinary landscape with ease. So go ahead, explore the rich flavors of Czech cuisine, and don't be afraid to try something new. Bon appetit, or as they say in Czech, dobru chuť. Section 5. Shopping spree, conquering the marketplace. Shopping in the Czech Republic is an experience like no other. The vibrant markets and charming boutiques offer a unique blend of traditional and modern items, making it a shopper's paradise. From charming boutiques to bustling markets, shopping in the Czech Republic is a treat. Whether you're looking for handmade crafts, local delicacies, or fashionable clothing, there's something for everyone. The atmosphere is lively, and the vendors are friendly, often willing to share stories about their products. Here are some phrases to help you find what you're looking for and bargain like a pro. Knowing a few key phrases can make your shopping experience smoother and more enjoyable. It shows respect for the local culture and can even help you get better deals. 16. Kolik to stoji? How much is this? This is one of the most important phrases you'll need. Whether you're in a high-end boutique or a bustling market, knowing how to ask for the price is essential. This is the essential phrase for asking about prices. Kolik to stoji? It's straightforward and easy to remember. Practice it a few times before you head out, and you'll be ready to shop with confidence. Don't be afraid to haggle a little, especially at markets. Haggling is a common practice in many markets around the world, and the Czech Republic is no exception. It can be a fun and rewarding experience if done politely. 17. Mate to IV Jean Barv? Do you have this in another color? This phrase is particularly useful when you're looking for something specific. Whether it's a piece of clothing or a decorative item, asking about color options can help you find exactly what you want. If you're looking for a specific color, use this phrase. Mate to IV Jean Barv? It's a simple question that can make a big difference in your shopping experience. Mate to IV Jean Barv? It's always worth asking. Vendors often have more stock than what is displayed, so don't hesitate to inquire about other options. 18. To je moc draft? That's too expensive. This phrase can be very handy when you feel the price is too high. It's a polite way to express your concern and can often lead to a better deal. If you think the price is too high, don't hesitate to say so. To je moc draft? Vendors are usually open to negotiation, especially if you show genuine interest in their products. You might be surprised at how low the seller is willing to go. Successful haggling can lead to significant savings and a sense of accomplishment. 19. Platim kartu. I'm paying by card. In today's digital age, many places accept credit cards, making transactions convenient and quick. Let the cashier know you're paying by card with this phrase. Platim kartu. It's a straightforward way to ensure a smooth transaction. Most places in the Czech Republic accept credit cards. However, it's always a good idea to carry some cash, especially when visiting smaller markets or rural areas. 20. Děkuji, nashledanu. Thank you, goodbye. Politeness goes a long way in any culture. Expressing gratitude and saying goodbye leaves a positive impression. As you leave the store, offer a polite děkuji, nashledanu. Děkuji, nashledanu. It's a small gesture that can make a big difference in your interactions. It's a nice way to end the interaction. Shopping in the Czech Republic is not just about buying things. It's about the experience, the people you meet, and the memories you create. So go out there, explore the markets, and enjoy every moment of your shopping spree.